the following counties in North Carolina: Grahamville, Person, and Vance. Winter storm warning in effect until noon Sunday. What? Significant icing. Additional ice accumulations of 0.2 to 1/4 of an inch. Where? Person, Granville, and Vance County.